you recognise any of these organic shapes? In this video, we will be finding out about organic shapes. We will be inspired by nature and by the French artist Henri Matisse, and we will improve our cutting skills by cutting out these organic shapes. Bonjour tout le monde! This is Anne from Artstarcastle. At Artstarcastle, you reach for the Artstars to find information, inspiration, practical skills, and connections to help you on your learning journey in art and design. In this video, we are reaching for the Cutting Skills Organic Shapes Artstar. Let's start the lesson by finding some information for our heads about the visual element shape. The visual elements are part of an artist's toolkit. They are the visual parts that make up the art. The visual elements include colour, line, shape, tone, form, texture, and pattern. In this lesson, we will focus on the visual element of shape. There are different types of shape: geometric shapes, organic shapes. Geometric shapes include circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. Organic shapes are usually flowing lines and irregular shapes. Organic shapes can be found in nature, plants, and animals. Do you know any other names of shapes? If so, pause the video and leave your answer in the comments below. For more information about shape, visit Artstarcastle and click on the Toolkit page to find the shape Artstar. We still need to find some inspiration and practical skills, so just follow the rainbow art stars to help you on your journey. Inspiration for today's lesson is the French artist Henri Matisse, who made his famous cutout artworks using scissors. Matisse started doing the cutouts in the last 10 years of his life, and he described the process of making them as drawing with scissors. Matisse's cutouts were inspired by memories, stories, and travel. To find out more information about Henri Matisse, visit Artstarcastle and click on the artist page to find the Matisse Artstar. In this lesson, we will also find inspiration in the different shapes that can be found in nature. this lesson we are learning about the visual element of shape by cutting out different shapes. In this video, we will be folding paper and using scissors to cut organic shapes. The materials we need for this lesson are paper and scissors. I'm using printer paper, A4 white printer paper. If you've coloured paper, you can use that. You can also use newspapers, magazines, or any sort of scrap paper that you have lying about. Now that we've found some inspiration for our hearts and information for our heads, we're ready to start the practical skills part of this video. Let's get started. Spiral. A spiral is a shape made up of curves. This is an example of a leaf shape. Leaves come in different shapes. This helps to identify plants. Butterfly wings. Butterfly wings are an example of symmetry. The wings on each side of the body are the same, and when the wings are closed, they are the same size, shape and pattern. Let's have a look at the key words in this art lesson. Spiral, leaf. If you're talking about one, you say leaf. If you're talking about more than one, you say leaves. Butterfly wings. Symmetry. Scissors. Henri Matisse. Congratulations, you have completed this learning journey and have reached the Cutting Skills Organic Shape Artstar. In this Artstar, we have learnt information about organic shapes, we have been inspired by nature and by Henri Matisse, and we have developed our practical skills cutting out organic shapes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and share it with one other person who you think would like to reach this Artstar. Did you complete this Artstar learning journey? If so, comment below with a star emoji to let me know that you've reached the Artstar. If you would like to continue reaching for the Artstars, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload the next lesson. Share photos of your work using the hashtag #ReachForTheArtstars. You can also connect with Artstarcastle on Twitter and Instagram, or visit Artstarcastle at www.artstarcastle.com. Thank you for joining me on this Artstar learning journey. See you in the next video. Au revoir tout le monde!